Hello everyone, welcome back to Data with Pankaj. I am Pankaj and today we have very special video for you. If you are someone who want to become a data analyst in 2026 but you have no idea where to start and more importantly you don't want to spend any money, then this video is 100% for you. Today I am going to show you the best free resources available right now, completely free, that will take you from zero to job ready as a data analyst. These are not random YouTube videos. These are the proper structure courses from some of the most trusted platform in the world, and they won't cost you a single rupees. So let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Before I show you any courses, let me quickly tell you what skill a data analyst actually needs. Number one, Excel or Google Sheet. This is where most beginners start. Basic data cleaning and formulas and pivot table. Number two tool will be or programming language will be SQL. This is most important skill for any data analyst. You will use SQL every single day at work to pull data from various databases. Number three programming language will be Python. Python is more popular in 2026. It help you to do advanced analysis, automation, and data visualization. Number four tool is data visualization. Tool like Power BI, Tableau, or Python libraries like Matplotlib. You need to present your insight clearly. Fifth number tool is statistic basic. So this is another topic that is very important. You don't need to a mathematician, but you need to understand mean, median, distribution, probabilities, correlation. These are the very important topic. Now I have found a free courses for each of these skill. Let me show you one by one. Okay, so let's start with skill number one, Excel. Now, I know many people think Excel is a basic, but trust me, in the most companies, even in 2026, Excel is used every single day. The best free course I found is this one by Microsoft on Coursera. It is called Excel Skill for Data Analytics and Visualization. This particular text, I have embedded all the links, so you can directly navigate to Coursera Excel course. You can audit this course for free. That means you can watch all the videos and do all the exercise without paying anything. You only pay if you want the certificate, which is honestly you don't need right now. This course will teach you formulas, pivot table, charts, and even Power Query. Very solid foundation. Here you can see very detailed curriculum is there for this particular course. So you will learn data analysis, data cleaning, data integration, data manipulation, data processing, data sharing, data storage telling, data transformation, data visualization. So it will cover the Microsoft Excel and other tool as well as. So you can enroll for this course and do end-to-end learning here. All the link I am showing you today, I will put all this in description or I will share this document that contain the embedded link. So you can directly click on the course title and you will navigate to that particular learning portal. Now comes the most important skill, SQL. If you only learn one thing from this video, learn SQL. Every single data analyst job posting will ask for SQL. My first recommendation is Mode SQL tutorial. This is completely free, no login required, and it is one of the most best written SQL tutorial on the internet. You can again click here to navigate to that particular running portal. You can see SQL tutorial, learn SQL for data analysis. Here you will have the in detail SQL tutorial from basic to advanced level. You can see basic 15 lesson, intermediate we have 20 lessons, SQL analytical training, then advanced SQL. So you can get started and complete all the modules to go from basic to advanced level in a SQL. What I love about this is that it has a built-in SQL editor right in your browser, so you can practice while you will learn. No setup is required. So here you can practice and write a SQL or execute SQL query itself in this particular portal. You have to not install any MySQL, MS SQL software in your system. My second recommendation is Khan Academy SQL course. This is great if you are complete beginner and want to more structure step by step approach. So you can get started with Khan Academy's SQL course to understand the basic and then move to the more SQL end-to-end training and you can practice there. So here you can see in detail curriculum is there. So there are multiple learning modules and you can start with that SQL for introduction to SQL querying and managing data. So here are end-to-end tutorial are there. You can get started and you can practice as well as. Okay, now Python. This is where many beginner get scared, but I promise you, you don't need to become a software engineer. You just need a basic Python for data analysis. My top recommendation is Google Python Crash Course by Coursera. Yes, Google itself made it this course and you can audit it for free. Google Python Crash Course. If you click on this particular course title, you can see you will navigate to Coursera again and you can watch this end-to-end course for Python completely for free. Again, if you need the certification, then only you have to pay. But certification is not required. You have to gain real-time knowledge. In detail, module is included programming development, development environment, then debugging, programming principles. Okay, you can go for this particular course. After that, I want to specify focus on pandas and numpy. These are the Python libraries that data analysts use for data cleaning and analysis. For that, go to the free Codecamp YouTube channel. They have a 10 hours Python for data science course completely free on YouTube. So the second resources will be free Codecamp YouTube channel. You can click on the title and you will navigate to this channel. You can watch the entire Python course for data analysis that cover the pandas, numpy, data analysis and data visualization with the Python. This is most practical path for data analyst in 2026. Now let's talk about data visualization because what good is analysis if you cannot present it in a clear and beautiful way. In 2026, Power BI is the most demand tool in India for data analysis as well as across the globe. And Microsoft Learn has a completely free official learning path for Power BI. So if you click on Power BI learning path by Microsoft, so here you will navigate to the Microsoft Learn portal and you can start exploring Power BI learning from here. Browse all Power BI learning path. If you click here, you will navigate to Microsoft Learning and there are multiple modules. You can say get started with a building with Power BI, discover data analysis, get started with the Microsoft data analytics. So there are multiple learning modules for Power BI and this is completely free. And this is official Microsoft training. It is very structured. Now, apart from Power BI, if you want to learn Tableau, there is a also free option. Tableau has its own free learning platform called Tableau Public. You can navigate to that platform and start learning Tableau. Like Microsoft Learn, the Tableau has its own learning platform, Tableau Public. So you can get started with this particular learning module to complete end-to-end Tableau training. My personal advice: start with Power BI if you want to a job in India. Start with Tableau if you are targeting MNC or global companies that may have vacancies for Tableau. But Power BI is in demand from couple of years and it will be in demand. So focus on Power BI and then if you want to go for Tableau, you can. Last but very important, statistics. Many beginners skip this and then struggle in real jobs. Please don't skip this. Khan Academy Statistics and Probability course is one of the best free resource ever created. It is free, well explained, and cover everything you need. So statistic by Khan Academy. You can see in detail learning modules are there. Just cover the basic like mean, median, standard deviation, probability, correlation. That is enough to get first data analyst job. Google also has a course called Google Data Analytics Certificates. So you can apply for that or you can start learning there and it is completely free. This is the course Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Okay, it covered the various topic related to statistics. You can watch in detail models and to learn in detail for statistics. The next course will be for statistics is IBM Data Analytics Certificate. Okay, so it covered 11 different course series and different topics like data analysis, then statistics, data presentation, data storytelling, data transformation, data visualization, data wrangling. Okay, so let me quickly summarize what we have covered today. For Excel, Microsoft course on Coursera. For SQL, Word tutorial and Khan Academies. For Python, Google's Crash Course and Free Code Camp. For visualization, Microsoft Learn and Tableau Public. Statistic, refer Khan Academies is your best friend. All of these are free. All of these are beginner friendly, and all the links are included in this particular document. I will share this document in the video description section. You can access this and explore in detail guidance and navigate to that particular portal and get started with your learning. Now, for practice, there are multiple portal available. W3 School is one of the very important where we can practice for SQL, Python. There are multiple real time problem statement, so you can practice on W3 School for SQL and Python. There are different you can see there are different programming languages available in W3 School, so you can practice for SQL. Then now here is my honest advice: don't try to do everything at a once. Pick one skill, finish one course, then move to the next. Consistency beat speed every time. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It's really helped this channel to grow. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Data with Pankaj because we post videos on data every week. Also drop a comment below and tell me which skill are you are going to start first. I read every comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.